If I were to choose which scene would be my favorite in terms of making a societal or personal impact, it would be the scene around Joanne being encouraged by Catherine to apply to Yale, then later choosing to elope with Tom. It's my favorite kasi hindi lang to simpleng pagpili ng tama or maling desisyon, but rather nafa-force yung isang tao mamili ng desisyon under social pressure. Minsan, ang desisyon ng tao ay madaling pag-isipan o kaya piliin, pero may times na need natin pag-isipan ng maigi yung isang desisyon dahil nga sa family expectation o kaya takot sa tatahaking landas. Kaya for me, this scene made a big impact because it reminds us that every decision we make shapes who we are and walang makaka-define kung anong tama para sa atin. Pwede tayong ma-influence ng iba pero at the end of the day, we are the ones who had to live with our choices. Although yung choice ni Joanne is bittersweet, it is still respectful kasi once adult ka na, may right ka nang mamili ng path na tatahakin mo sa buhay. Whether kung gusto mong maging single at i-achieve yung career goal mo, well, pwede mo rin piliin yung magpakasal. For some, success means building a strong career, achieving their dreams, and proving something to themselves. Pero para sa iba naman, success means having a family, supporting their partner, and finding happiness in a simple life. In Joanne's case, even if she had the chance to study law and pursue a career, she still chose marriage, and that's okay. Hindi ibig sabihin na pinili niya yon dahil mahina siya o sumuko siya sa expectation ng society. Minsan kasi, people choose differently because that's what makes them feel fulfilled and content. I'd rather be Catherine Watson. Why? Because sa panahon ngayon, may choice na yung mga babae na mamili ng magiging path nila sa buhay, whether magpakasal man or hindi. Plus, may chance na rin na ma-achieve yung mga career choices natin ngayon compare sa panahon ni Maria Clara. While sa panahon ni Maria Clara, limited lang yung option ng mga babae. It's mostly magpakasal or maging madre. Plus, wala ring access yung mga babae noon sa pag-aaral kaya mas magandang maging si Catherine Watson sa modern era instead kay Maria Clara na nasa sinaunang panahon. Living in today's world gives women the chance to be bold, educated, and independent. Qualities na dati ay hindi kayang ipakita ng mga babae sa panahon ni Maria Clara. So, I'd rather be Catherine Watson, a woman who inspires others to think for themselves, stand up for what's right, and never be afraid to live a life on their own terms. I think being a future dentist is also a way to be a part of a progressive society. Sa panahon ngayon, every gender can be a dentist na eh. Basta may passion ka to serve and help people, you can be whoever you want to be. So yes, as a student dentista, I can provide dental health care para sa mga taong hindi confident sa smiles nila. Plus, I also plan as a future dentist to give free dental health care sa mga taong hindi afford ang dental care or kaya sa mga hindi accessible ang dental care. Hindi lang free dental care sa school, but also sa mga lugar na out of reach or malalayo sa civilization. For me, being a dentist means being part of a bigger movement, promoting equality in healthcare and helping build a society where everyone has the right to smile confidently. That's how I see myself contributing to a progressive and compassionate world.